Hello crafties, wishing you all a very beautiful day. So today I'm making leaf design memo pads and it's very easy and fun DIY. So you will need some leaves and A4 printing paper. You can take any white paper or chart paper and some sketch pens or watercolor. So I'm taking these leaves and at the back side I'm coloring it with sketch pens and just splash some water either on the leaf on the paper and place the paper on the leaf carefully and let the color and water soak on the paper and lift it up, and there it is, the impression of the leaf on the paper. So same way you can make as many as you want. I'm here just making 10 of these. Like same way I have taken another design leaf. You can take any small or big or any design of leaf available at your place. So here it is all dried completely, and now I am cutting it from the outline, leaving a little bit of white space like this. Same way cut all the others too, and now assemble these all together using clip, and I'll put glue on one corner side of it and let it dry. Same way I have done it for the other one too, and it's now dry completely. You can see it is all stick together. Now you can use these beautiful colorful leaf memo pad anywhere you want. You can use it to make journaling like I'm doing a quick journal here, or you can use them to write daily to-do list or some kinds of notes. So it's a quick journaling. It was fun making this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos and stay tuned.